guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am getting ready for work and I thought why not to make a video. Usually I work from 6:30 to 3:30ish, but for this week I'm doing 8:15 to 4:45 shift. So but my sleep schedule is the same as before, so I always wake up around 5:30 or 6. So today I thought why not to do little bit makeup for work. Usually I don't do any makeup to work. I just do my skincare and that's it. Also, I never miss an opportunity whenever I get to film during daylight. So right now I am not using any ring light. I'm just sitting in front of the window. Let me show you. Look at that. So I'm just sitting in the front of the window and we are not using any ring light. So this is my skin in natural. So you see all the acne spots and everything. This is what I have. Every day I like to go with CC creams or skin tints and all. So today I'm using It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC cream. So this cream comes in 2 to 3 different range. So this one is Nude Glow. I have dry skin, so I like to go for glowy products, like glowy foundations. And if you have a dry skin, if you have oily skin, you can go for, if you have oily skin, you can go for the full coverage CC cream. So ये मैंने थोड़ी सी CC cream ली और मैं जो brush use कर रही हूँ that is from Jesa Beauty. इनके ये नए brushes आए हैं and these brushes are so good. Like I really like the OG makeup brushes that I use all the time. But this one is really good. The bristles are so soft, like very soft, and they perform so well. And I do have a discount code with them, so let me know if you guys need the discount code. The reason why I like to use this CC cream is because it has SPF 40 as well. So you know, there are some days when you feel like that you don't want to wear sunscreen or you don't have time. You can just use this. You'll get coverage, plus you will get some sun protection. There we go. I just love it. The glowy base. I'm gonna apply tiny more, just on the areas where I need a little bit more coverage, just like that. White. And you know, it is 7:51 right now and I have work at 8:15 and it's only gonna take me a couple of minutes to reach at work. So I'm not worried about that, but I just have to make my protein shake before I go. And I think I forgot my eyebrow pencil. I am not going to apply any concealer under my eyes. I'm going to apply the same CC cream because I don't need too much coverage. I also like this concealer brush from them. This is really good. And you know what? I did my friend's makeup on her wedding and reception day and I used these brushes. I did not use any sponge or anything. I only used these brushes, and even she told me that the bristles feels really soft and the base was looking awesome. So I'm going to set my face with this Revlon Stay Matte powder. I just tried it few days back and I really like it. And this was only $5 or less. I got it from Walmart. And this performs really well. I hope I don't get late. So my base is all set, but you can see I still have little bit of glow on my face, which I really like, and I will not have to use any highlighter. Alright, so to fill my brows, I'm using Urban Decay Brow Blade. जो बस इतू सा रह गया, पता नहीं you guys can see or not. Like very tiny of product left. This is what I'm gonna use. And can I show you something? So I was shaving my face the other day and I was talking to my dad on the phone, and ये वाले eyebrow तो मैंने उड़ाई दिए. लाइक इफ यू गाइस सी इट, दिस साइड सब उड़ा दिया मैंने. आई डोंट नो हाउ दैट हैपेंड एंड आई डिडंट इवन नोटिस इट. वेरी नेचुरल से मैंने फिल कर लिए हैं, नथिंग टू क्रेजी. So today I want to try this powder blush from Urban Decay. I have not tried this before, but मेरा मन है कि आज कुछ नया मेकअप प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करते हैं. Let's see how it goes. So for brush, okay, so the shade that I'm using is Back Talk. and ये मैंने ब्रश पे लिया. यार ये तो काफ़ी पिगमेंटेड लग रहा है. Yeah, it's really pigmented. हल्का सा ही लीजिए. वाओ, दैट्स अ लॉट बडी. ओ भाई साहब, ये तो कुछ और ही बन गया. अब मैंने स्विच माई ब्रश एंड मैं कोई और ब्रश ले रही हूँ जस्ट टू बैलेंस इट आउट. These blushes are very pigmented, but ये blend अच्छे से हो रहे हैं, so that's a good thing. Whatever is left on my brush, मैं उसको use कर रही हूँ अपनी eyelids पे, just to add a little color to my lids, just to balance it out. So you see, हल्की हल्की सी यहाँ पे shade आ गई. There we go. Alright, ये यूज़ कर लिया. उसके बाद हल्का सा हम मस्कारा लगा लेंगे. हल्का सा मस्कारा. और मैंने अपनी आई-लैशेस को कर्ल वगैरह नहीं करा, बट यू गाइस सी एट द मस्कारा कितनी अच्छी लेंथ देता है ये आपकी लैशेस को. प्लस इफ़ यू डू एटलीस्ट 2 कोट्स, आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम भी मिल जाएगी. पास ये न्यू NYX प्रोफेशनल मेकअप के लिप आईवीज आए हैं. ये मैंने बहुत लोगों को देख लिया यूज़ करते हुए, एंड पीपल रेव अबाउट इट बिकॉज एक तो ये काफ़ी ग्लॉसी है, प्लस इसका स्टेन भी रहता है. सो इवन इफ दिस ग्लॉस कम्स ऑफ, आपके पास बहुत प्यारा सा स्टेन रहेगा आपके लिप्स पे. सो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट विद शेड हाइड्रा हनी. ठीक है, SCC शेड है. इट्स नॉट अ पिंक बट या लेट्स सी. So whenever I apply any lip product, I make sure कि I don't have a lip balm on my lips. Alright, here we go. ऐसे दिखा देते हैं थोड़ा aesthetic. अगर सबसे पहली चीज़ जो मैंने नोटिस करी है, काफ़ी क्रीमी है. मतलब ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे मैं मलाई लगा रही हूँ अपने लिप्स पे. you know the texture, it feels like that. Like मक्खन और मलाई जैसा टेक्सचर लग रहा है. Very creamy, very creamy. Very pretty यार, बड़ा अच्छा लगा. I can intensify this color or I'm okay with this color. I think for everyday makeup or for everyday look, this is a nice shade. It's like my lips but थोड़े से better. जो मैंने shade use करी है वो है Hydra Honey and ये कुछ ऐसे लगते हैं IVs. ठीक है, ये मैंने यूज़ कर लिया and I think that's it. It's 8:04 and I need to leave my house in next 5 minutes. And I don't think so I will get time to make my protein shake. Let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna use Easy Bake setting spray just to make sure कि मेरा makeup at least 8 घंटे तक तो रहे, क्योंकि I'm working till almost 5. And that's pretty much it is. So you get a nice glowy base. This beautiful base with just using 2 products, which is a nice tinted skin tint with SPF. So आपको ये भी कोई चिंता नहीं है कि धूप में जाना है, सनस्क्रीन नहीं लगाई and all that. This is like 2 in 1. And then हमने यूज़ किया एक हल्का सा पाउडर. ठीक है, फिर हमने यूज़ किया एक ब्लश. This is all we used to get this base. These brushes from Jesa Beauty, बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है. फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स यू विल ओनली सी मी यूजिंग दीज, क्योंकि इसके मेरे पास पहले भी ब्रशेस थे, वो मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. बट दीज ब्रशेज आर रियली गुड. सो इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन सॉफ्ट ब्रिस्टल वाले ब्रशेज, यू नो मेरी स्किन सेंसिटिव है, सो समटाइम व्हेन आई यूज़ एनी अदर मेकअप ब्रश फ्रॉम, आई हैव ट्राइड मेकअप ब्रशेज फ्रॉम डिफरेंट ब्रांड, जब भी मैं फाउंडेशन और वो लगाती हूँ ना, मेरी स्किन को ऐसी हल्की हल्की पेन सी होती है, जैसे यू नो ब्रिसल्स हार्ड होते हैं कई ब्रशेस के. दीज ब्रिसल्स आर लाइक मक्खन, लाइक वेरी सॉफ्ट bristle. I have a 25% discount code with these brushes as well, so you'll get a good deal. This is it. This is a nice glowy dewy makeup for every day, which I do once in a while. So when I say once in a while, I mean to say maybe once in 2 months, क्योंकि मैं everyday के लिए makeup नहीं prefer करती, because anyways I come home and film makeup content. तो मैं try करती हूँ सुबह मैं अपनी skin को थोड़ा rest करने दूँ and then do makeup in the evening. So that's everything. I hope you guys like this video. Protein shake भी मैंने बना लिया है and it's 8:12. तो अब मैं जा रही हूँ काम पे. And this is how the makeup is looking. I think मैंने blush थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगा लिया है, but you know what? Never mind. Alright guys, I am going home and this is how my base is looking. Like you guys can see, the blush is still on, and this lip gloss that I tried from NYX. I'm sorry, I'm just walking home. It's so pretty. I reapplied it for sure, but the stain is so pretty. Like even if the lip gloss goes off, you will get a pretty stain on your lip. Weather is so gloomy today and it's pouring, but the base, it's still on. So pretty.